In this video, I will show you how to download Minecraft for free on PC. To get started, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser and head over to google.com. Once you've done that, you want to come to the Google search bar and search for Minecraft trial. And once you've done that, click onto the top result that comes up. This is going to take you across to the official Minecraft website, which is minecraft.net. And from here, what you want to do is scroll down on this page where you're going to find the different editions of Minecraft. Now, you want to make sure you download the Minecraft Java edition, and you just want to select your operating system from here. For myself, I'm on Windows 11, so I'm just going to click that option here. Once that's done, you're going to see it's going to download the installer, and what you can then do is run this on your computer. And what you want to do is just run through the steps to install Minecraft on your computer or laptop. Once it's finished installing, it's going to install some updates as well, so just give it a minute or two to run through and fully install. And once that's done, it's going to ask you to log in with your Microsoft account. So you want to log in with your account, and once you've done that, it's going to open up the Minecraft launcher. Just to note, you do need to play with a Microsoft account that you've not previously used to play Minecraft, so you might need to create a new account. But once you've done that, it's going to open up the launcher, and you can see an option to try Minecraft for free. So what you want to do is click the play demo button. You can see it says waiting on install, so it's just going to take a minute or two to do this. But as you can see at the bottom, it's currently downloading and installing Minecraft Java edition, and it just takes a minute or two to run through and install. Once the game has finished installing, you'll be taken to this screen here. All you need to do is click on to continue, and from here, as you can see, you can start to play the demo world. So you just want to click here to play demo world, and it's going to start up and start to load Minecraft, so you can play it for free on your computer or laptop. So that is how to play Minecraft for free on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.